My hip.
రెండు సెకండ్ పెట్టొచ్చు
ఎన్నైనా బ్యాగ్ పట్టేదాకా పెట్టుకోండి 4 దాకా పెడతాం.
That goes my chappal. And here goes the bag.
Hello and welcome to Drive It Repeat. My name is Uday.
And I am Arpita. And today we are going to see Statue of Equality.
Do you see that sticker on the car? It says I am AMAZE-ING. That's awesome. That's nice. Let's get some fuel. We are out on the outer ring road.
Uday, I was just reading about this. Do you know that it came in 1600 pieces?
What? The Statue of Equality?
Yes, it's not made here.
Where is it made?
It's made in China and it came through Chennai port.
1600 pieces, is it?
Yes.
Oh God, how did they ship it?
They shipped it in like 54 shipments something, and that's how we got it, and then we assembled it here in India.
Oh, I knew that something was going on at that particular area. I mean, at the Muchintal area, and I heard about this. I mean, I read about it. They started somewhere in about 2014. There was a proposal or something like that, and it ended up in 2022 February 5th.
Exactly.
That's 8 years.
Yes, yes.
Oh God.
And it's also called as Statue of Ramanuj.
Yeah, it's actually the temple of Shri Ramanuja Charya. So that I know, but I did not know that it is composed of 1600 individual pieces. I mean, that's huge.
I'm just amazed.
We have to. I mean, you guys will have to take a look at this statue. It's such an amazing thing, just to put 1600 pieces together and make something out of it. That's amazing. We just got off the outer ring road. We are now on the Bangalore highway, the National Highway 44, one of the busiest highways in India. And this highway goes from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. We are now taking a left from the Bangalore highway towards Palmakula.
Continue on Palmakul Petrol Conda Road for 3 kilometers.
Okay. The outer ring road actually connects you here as well. But I've taken the Bangalore highway because I had some other work to be done at Shamshabad. 3 kilometers more, and then we will be getting at our next turn. So this place is actually inaugurated by our Prime Minister on 5th of February, right?
Yes. And on 13th, our president also visited this statue.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So this is all I researched. I just read about it so that I sound more knowledgeable than this guy.
So you'll be researching all my next trips from now onwards, Arpi.
Yeah, if you are taking me along.
Yeah.
Or else I'm not doing anything.
You find a chutti in your office, I am taking you anywhere. Okay, do we have to park here and we have to walk or what? Gate A. Okay.
Now, I did not research about this. So let me turn off the camera quickly and find this out.
Let's turn on the maps, turn off the camera.
In 400 meters, continue straight to stay on Palmakul Petrol Conda Road.
There are a lot of boards here that direct you to the Statue of Equality. And the road is amazing. The road they laid to get to this place is just awesome.
I think it's...
Oh, I can see the statue. Oh man, this is huge. This is awesome. parking is just 40 rupees. And oh man, this is beautiful. It's huge, it's beautiful, and just look at the architecture. It's amazing, guys. There are so many gates actually. I can see gate number 7. Oh man, this is beautiful. Four-wheeler parking. So many people are already here. So we are finally here. We just parked the car. We'll now go and capture everything that's here as much as it is allowed. So
Yeah. Nice thing to
yeah.
say.
Not sure whether they allow cameras inside. I'm sure they do not allow cameras completely inside, but we will try and capture whatever is allowed. And it's a great place that you should be visiting actually. So
And this statue is actually visible from very far. We did not notice it till we reach here. Let's explore.
we just parked the car over there, and RP has completely covered herself. It's super hot. And we are heading to the ticket counter now. So this is a queue that we are going through right now. I guess this gets really long on a busy day. We have to deposit our footwear here. Okay. Okay, we are supposed to take a photo of the bag number as well.
ఎన్నైనా బ్యాగ్ పట్టేదాకా పెట్టుకోండి 4 దాకా పడుతుంది.
That goes my chappal. And here goes the bag.
బ్యాగ్ నెంబర్ 4.
You cannot wear your footwear and go inside. You have to deposit your footwear at the entrance right over there. And you actually get a bag in which you can put your sandals or shoes or chappal, and then you have to take a picture of that bag before you get inside, and this is the entrance. Soon as you enter, you will find the ticket counters. The entry ticket is 150 rupees per adult.
So guys, we are out of the premises and this is the exit gate that we have come out from. So cameras were not allowed inside, so we couldn't capture anything inside. However, we will try to give you a glimpse from outside how exactly it looks. The architecture, the work on the walls, everything is so beautiful and it's worth coming and watching it by yourself. So the cameras are not allowed inside. I don't know if you're getting a good look at the statue over there. So that is over 200 feet and it is the second largest sitting statue in the world. And this also contains Panchaloha, which is like 5 metals inside the statue. And other than that, there is a 120 kilograms of pure gold statue sitting right under this one in the second floor. And this main statue, I mean the big statue, has been opened by our Prime Minister, and the gold statue, the 120 kilo gold statue, is opened by our President.
do visit the Statue of Equality. You will love it. And with that, we'll be ending this video here. And we will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep exploring. Stay safe. Bye-bye. We could not carry the cameras inside.
I already said that.